These are a set of elevators at the Old O'Neill's department store building in downtown Akron, Ohio. These are Dover from, I think, 1998 or 99. If they're from 99, they could be Tiz and Dover. Traditional SPF. Inside lantern does not work. 6, 5, 4, 4. Slimy doors. That took a bit to start up. Here are 4. There's like a different atrium here everywhere you go. That's really interesting. We're going to go back on 2. Sorry for not traveling that far. Certificate. It says Tiz and Dover, but it says Tiz and Dover for Dover. It's a nice cab. It's basic at the same time, I guess. You're back 2. Interesting. Interesting. Oh. 85. See, different atrium practically. Like a whole different atrium on the 4th floor. This is not too bad.